can't wait to know what the sex is, we could do a gender scan at 15 weeks. Then around 28 to 30 weeks, you can get a 4D ultrasound if you want to see what the baby looks like. This baby's going to have a real fast heartbeat. There it is. It's going to be about 160. And that tick, tick, tick. And I'll show you, baby's about 160, right? Got a very good heartbeat. Well, but I could do